Here are 5 fascinating facts about Blue Morpho butterflies. Number 1. Brilliant blue wings. The Blue Morpho Butterfly is renowned for its stunning blue wings, which are actually not pigmented blue, but appear so due to light interference on microscopic scales. Number 2. Camouflage in resting position. While the Blue Morpho's vibrant blue wings are high, catching in flight when at rest, it closes its wings, revealing a dull brown underside that helps it blend seamlessly into its surroundings, camouflaging it from predators. The third is its reflective properties. The Blue Morpho's wings contain microscopic structures that reflect light, giving them an iridescent quality. This adaptation helps the butterfly confuse potential predators and attract mates.